Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make cornflakes chicken cutlet. Again, another simple and easy recipe, perfect for weeknight. And for the ingredient right now, all I have is my chicken breast. So I'm using chicken breast. So one piece, I have cut them into three pieces, and I have the rest in the plate over here. I'm gonna season the chicken first, and then I'm gonna show you the rest of the ingredients. So season the chicken both sides with salt and pepper, and then I'm just gonna flip the chicken over, and now I'm gonna use my clean hand, and we're gonna do the same, and then I'm going to repeat the rest of the chickens that I have on my plate. Done all the chicken and set them on a plate on a side for now. And then I already cracked the eggs. I'm using 3 large eggs. I have some all-purpose flour. We need some salt and pepper. And this seasoning is for the flour. I want to seasoning my flour with paprika, and this is dry parsley, and this is chili powder, which is just optional. And then we also need some coarsely grind cornflakes. All right, so add this seasoning into this flour. So you can just add salt and pepper, and yes, salt and pepper, just a pinch, not too much. So if you don't want to add seasoning, just skip the seasoning, add only salt and pepper. But I do like to have a extra flavor in this chicken cutlet. Over here we are going to add salt and pepper, and I'm gonna add milk. I'm using whole milk, just a 1/4 cup. And at this time, preheat your oil over medium heat. We are going to shallow fry this, but for now let's set everything up. So I'm gonna grab one piece chicken at a time and slightly dip in the flour, shake the excess, and then it goes to the egg, and cornflakes, just like that. And it's already looking so pretty. So just do all of them, and then we're gonna move forward. Okay, don't wait for the oil to get too hot, because you don't want all these cornflakes to get burned right away. I'm just gonna fry 2 at a time. And this chicken is not going to take so long to fry. I just want to flip it over. It's gonna take 3 minutes each side to fry, because this is chicken breast, and chicken breast cook really fast. And just drain the chicken, then set it on a plate with paper towel, and then I'm gonna continue to do the rest. Our cornflakes chicken cutlet is ready. I'm gonna put the written ingredient down below in the description box in English and French. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below what do you want me to make next in this channel. And I will just appreciate that, and I will try my best to do it as soon as possible. For now, I'm gonna go enjoy this chicken cutlet, because this is looking so good. And I'm serving this with baked potatoes, baked crispy potatoes, but you can serve this under a sandwich. You can just eat it as is, as a snack, with some ketchup, some hot sauce. Your support is very important, so please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And also don't forget to check my La Cuisine Laila channel in Creole language for more recipes. And for now, let me go dig into with this chicken cutlet, cornflakes chicken cutlet, and I will see you next time. Bye.